In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Google Classroom. Navigating through the digital world of education can sometimes feel like you're needing a map. Today, I'll be your guide, showing you a straightforward path to adjusting your view in Google Classroom, ensuring that everything you need to see is perfectly in frame on your screen. Whether it's to get a better overview of your dashboard or to ease eye strain, mastering this simple trick will enhance your Google Classroom experience. Let's get started. First and foremost, we need to head over to the doorway of the internet, google.com. This is where our journey begins. Once there, you'll notice, typically in the top right corner of the screen, a sign in button. This button is your next click. It's an invitation to enter the world of Google services with your unique key, your Google account. Clicking sign in prompts a new challenge, selecting the correct key from your keychain. If you have multiple Google accounts, this is where you choose the one connected to your Google Classroom. Pick wisely, as each account opens the door to a different room filled with specific information and tasks. Upon choosing your account, you're greeted with another gateway. The password. Enter your password carefully. It's the secret code that unlocks your account's door. Make sure it's entered correctly to avoid being halted by the guardians of your digital gateway. After your password is accepted, you'll notice a next button eagerly waiting for your click. This button propels you further into the Google ecosystem, edging you closer to your destination, Google Classroom. Once inside the Google realm, your attention should drift to the top right corner once more, where you'll find the Google Apps menu, symbolized by a grid of dots. Clicking here unveils a treasure trove of Google services and applications. Among these, you'll seek out and select the Google Classroom icon, a doorway to your digital classroom environment. Now here we are, standing at the threshold of Google Classroom, the place where learning and technology merge, but everything might seem a bit too close for comfort. To gain a better perspective and view more content with less scrolling, we need to zoom out. This is where a simple trick comes into play. If you're on a PC, hold down the Control key or Command on Macs and scroll your mouse wheel downwards. Alternatively, you can also press the minus key to steadily zoom out. Each scroll or press magically pulls your view further back, allowing you to see more of your classroom in one glance. An image right here shows exactly how your screen should start looking as you perform this action. See how everything becomes smaller and more content fits onto your screen? There you have it. By now, your Google Classroom should be looking just right, with you comfortably in the driver's seat, navigating through your educational journey with ease. Remember, this not only works in Google Classroom, but practically anywhere on the web. So feel free to zoom in and out as needed, whether you're browsing, studying, or just exploring the digital universe. Mastering these seemingly small tricks can significantly enhance your online experience, making your digital interactions more efficient and comfortable. So next time you find yourself squinting at the screen or lost in a sea of information, remember, a simple combination of keys can adjust your view, bringing everything into perfect focus. That concludes our guide on how to zoom out in Google Classroom. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks that will make navigating through your digital school corridors as smooth as a scroll.